As we all know, we're living and navigating through an immense amount of chaos in the universe. You know, our kids are growing up with this kind of chaos, this kind of stress that's being handed down to them and thrust upon them, and they're not equipped to understand how the central nervous system is braced at all times to try to handle that. And it comes out in very, very destructive ways sometimes with kids, whether it's not being interested in school or whether it's getting into violence or whatever, or drugs or whatever that is. This is the right thing to do. It is the message that should be sent throughout the world, that all of us on this planet can talk about peace. But peace begins within all of us. And it's not about having a peaceful relationship with somebody, which means not getting in arguments or getting along. Peace is something deeper than that. It is tapping into something that exists in all of us and that makes us unique and that helps us to be pure. But we get away from that because our brains are so overactive and we're constantly being dictated by chaos. And so I feel like this is the right thing to do, and it's what should be in the school systems, but also should be a part of our daily lives throughout.